We're all superheroes at heart.
Hi, and welcome to CGC unboxing video number 60. This is just on the back of the last one, and these are all signed books. And I have no idea about the grades, so let's get started and see what we got. So here we go. The first one is Invincible Universe Battle Beast. It is a Zavala variant cover and signed and sketched by Martin Zavala in a 9/8. And that customized signature counts as being a sketch in CGC terms. Next is Alien number 3. This is signed by Philip Tan. It's a Tan variant cover. Beautiful Tan variant cover, I should say. And it's in a 9.8. And very nice book. Next we've got Batman Wonder Woman Truth number 1, signed by Jim Cheng. It's a foil edition with Jim Cheng cover and art. And there we have 2 of those. Next we've got Exquisite Corpses number 10. This is another Zavala variant cover, and it's signed and sketched. There you can see the signature in a 9.8. Next we've got Tiger Division number 1. This is a Une variant cover. I was hoping, I ordered an Alien comic to get signed by Une, but it didn't arrive in time, so I had this in my collection. So I had him sign this, and it's a 9.6. Here is an Alien number 1. This is a sketch by Satoshi Hatano in a 9.8. Next we've got Doctor Who number 1. This is a sketch by Eric Chen. It's an Akira poster homage, and it shows the 4th Doctor there walking towards the TARDIS. Absolutely gorgeous, and that scarf all over, flowing scarf, is very nice. Next we've got Blade Runner Origins number 1. This is signed and sketched by a Japanese manga artist, FC Saeki, and of course it's from the Tears in the Rain speech by Roy Batty at the end of the movie. Next we've got here Die Loaded number 6. This is signed and sketched by Toru Terada, and the sketch here is the signature itself. You can see it's quite elaborate, and it's a 9.8. And that sketch was in gold. That one's in gold, and he did 2 in gold and 1 in silver, and they're all 9/8. And then the next is another Alien number 1 sketch, this time by Danny Kim, in a 9.8. And the last one is an Invincible foil edition number 1, again Martin Zavala, and again with the custom signature in a 9.8. So great grades, all 9/8 except for 1 9/6. Very happy with all of those. and there is another box coming. It's like 4 in a week. And the next one is a small number of Silver Age ASM. None of them will be 9.8s, of course, but I look forward to sharing those with you when they come next week. So thanks very much for watching all the way to the end. Bye.